1. We have liftoff.
A few moments later.
Actually, what version of fireworks? I have no clue.
運命だとか未来とかって言葉がどれだけ手を伸ばそうと届かない一生で僕らこに映る時計の針も二人を横目に見ながら進むそんな世界を二人で一緒に何丁でも生き抜いて
Once again, we are standing by for attempting to catch the booster at the tower. This would be the second tower catch.
Booster
Landing burn. Seeing 13 engines.
Booster now hovering as it aligns with the tower for catch.
Booster coming in. Get ready for that boom, Kate.
Down to 3 engines.
Booster landing burn shutdown. Megazilla has caught the booster.
You heard it here, Megazilla has caught the booster.
Once again, for the second time, a successful catch by the launch tower. This is the same tower, the launch pad, where that booster took off from just 7.5 minutes ago. Great view from the chopstick arms, looking at those hypersonic grid fins that steer the booster for that precision landing.